Hi and welcome. In the previous video we have seen how to install WAMP server. The link is below on description. In this video we are going to see how to create PHP file and how to create first database. Let's get started. WAMP server by default creates its main folder on partition C. As you can see, WAMP 64. This folder contains all necessary folders and files of WAMP server. Let's open it. As you can see, this is the main folder of WAMP server. Inside this folder, as you can see, bin folder. Let's open it. Here we find the Apache server. This is the folder of the Apache server. Without Apache server, WAMP server is nothing. We need to start Apache server first to run PHP files. So the WAMP server depends on Apache server. Remember, the WAMP server depends on Apache server. And the MariaDB folder is another edition of MySQL. MariaDB and MySQL are the same. For now, remember, MariaDB and MySQL are the same. MariaDB and MySQL server are database management systems. And we have here PHP folder. This is the folder of PHP program. Hopefully you understand these folders. And here folder www is the folder where we put our websites. And this folder apps contains the folder of PHP MyAdmin program. PHP MyAdmin is the program through which we explore and manage MySQL database. Let's now open www folder. As you can see, these folders and files are by default created by WAMP server. This is the index.php. And now let's start the server. Right click and click open. Before running any PHP files, we have to start the server. Just click yes and wait for the server to start. Just wait for the server to start. The orange color, as you can see, means that the server is not started yet. Just wait. Now the green color appears, means that the server is okay and is working. Let's now test. Let's open the browser. Right click, open, and type localhost and hit enter. If you remember, this page is the index.php. This page is index.php. Now select all these files and we will move them to another folder, or you can delete them to make this www folder empty. Just create new folder. I will give it a name, localhost files, or you can give it any name you want, and press enter and paste these files here. Now www folder is empty. Let's refresh the localhost page. Click refresh. Nothing's running. Folder is empty. Let's now create first PHP file. Right click, new text document. In this example, I will just use Notepad. Give it the name index and press enter, or right click and open. and type the PHP entry tag like this. Every PHP file should have PHP tag, as you can see, and write echo hello world and semicolon. Save it as index.php. index.php and click save. Close it now. Right click and select properties. This is the extension .php. Now let's refresh the localhost page and you will see that the file is running and we have here hello world. Now I will show you how to create first database. Just visit the PHP my admin like so, localhost PHP my admin, and press enter. As we have seen in the previous video, the default username for MySQL is root and the default password was null, so just click login. If you want to see the previous video, the link is below on description. As you can see guys, this is the main page of PHP my admin, which means we are connected to MySQL server. To create new database, just click new and give it the name, any name you want. For me, I will give it the name my database. Leave the collation as default and click create. And now the database is created. As you can see here, this is the database we have just created. In the next video, I will show you how to create a new table. If you find this video useful for you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I recommend you guys to watch the previous video. The link is below on description. Remember guys, this is the second lesson of this playlist. This playlist is all about PHP and MySQL databases. Okay, thanks guys for watching. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to like this video and leave comments.